Something has happened on site. Someone is hurt or nearly was. What you do in the first 2 minutes shapes everything that follows. 5 steps in order.
Example only. Follow your organization's incident procedure.
Step 1. Make the area safe. Safe does not mean tidy. It means nobody else can walk into the same hazard. Isolate the energy source. Stop the moving part. Close the approach. And do it without putting yourself in the hazard. A second casualty helps nobody. Step 2. Get help for anyone injured. Call it in before you assess how serious it looks. People routinely understate what has happened to them. First aid, then the emergency number if there is any doubt at all. Doubt is the trigger, not certainty. Step 3. Notify your supervisor or the designated contact. Not a group chat, not at the end of shift. Now, by the route your procedure names.
The clock on every other obligation starts when that notification lands.
Step 4. Preserve what is there. Do not tidy the area. Do not reset the machine. Do not move the tool that was in someone's hand. Photograph the scene if it is safe to do so. The area is evidence before it is a mess. Step 5. Record the facts. Write what you saw, heard, and did with times. What happened, not why you think it happened. Cause is an investigation. Your job is the record. The moment you write, probably, you have started guessing. 5 steps. Make it safe, get help, notify, preserve, record. None of it takes long. All of it is harder afterwards, from memory.